In this quick guide, you'll learn how to temporarily deactivate your Snapchat account in about 60 seconds. Before you start, you can't fully deactivate from inside the app. You'll use Snapchat's account portal in a web browser. Deactivating will make your profile, snaps, and stories invisible to friends, but Snapchat keeps your data for a limited time in case you come back. If you don't log back in for 30 days, your account may be permanently deleted, so only do this if you're sure. You'll need your Snapchat username and password, and access to the email or phone number linked to your account. Ready? Let's walk through the exact steps to temporarily deactivate your Snapchat account. Step 1. On your phone or computer, open a web browser and go to the Snapchat account portal at accounts.snapchat.com. Step 2. Sign in with your Snapchat username and password, then tap or click Log In. Step 3. On the account portal home screen, select Delete My Account. This is the option you use to deactivate temporarily. Step 4. Re-enter your username and password on the Delete Account page, then tap Continue to confirm deactivation. Your account is now deactivated for 30 days. Friends won't be able to contact you on Snapchat during this time. To reactivate anytime within 30 days, simply open Snapchat and log in again with your username and password, then follow the prompts to restore your account.